Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video on creating this simple game. So today we are going to be doing the leader stats, the leaderboard that'll show up in this top right corner of the game, and it will say wins, losses, and it will save these values, and that's what I'm going to teach you today. It's called data persistence. As it persists, whenever you close the game, come back up, it'll be still there. That's why it's called data persistence. All you have to do is pretty simple. You go to your server script storage, you right click, insert object, script. It's a one script thing, it's pretty simple. First, you have to call the service. So I'll start with local ds service equals game colon get service data store service colon get data store. And then in these final parentheses, you could put whatever you want. Doesn't matter, just whatever you feel like. So I'll just put tutorial. Next line, you put the function when a player connects. So you'd be like game.players.player added colon connect parenthesis on player added. This right in here could be whatever you feel like. It's just the name of the function we're going to call when a player joins the server. Then we'll go function on player added player in parentheses. And then here is where we set up the key that stores it in the data store service. So you'd be like local key equals key dash period player dot user ID. This double period is like an and, it combines the two. It combines key and user ID together. That's all that does. And then now we're going to create the leaderboard. Local leader stats, all lowercase, equals instance.new int value. Oops, got an extra quote there. Comma player. This is the parent for the leader stats, so it adds it to the player. Next line, leader stats.name equals leader stats. Pretty simple. Now we're going to add the two columns. Local wins equals instance dot new int value, because it is a number with no decimal places, so it's an int. And then we go wins dot name equals wins dot value equals 0 wins dot parent equals leader stats. That's our wins column all done. Next is our losses. Local losses equals instance dot new int value losses dot name equals losses dot value equals 0 losses dot parent equals leader stats. That's our losses. So now we're gonna get the saved values from the service, the data store service. So local saved values equals ds service colon get async key. So this passes our key into the data store service, so it pulls back that player's data only because this key is unique to the player, because each player has a unique player ID. And it stores it into saved values, which will be a table. So first we see if it's not empty, so if saved values, then wins.value equals saved values 1, because it's the first one we're going to put in the save, and then losses dot value equals saved values 2. But we're also going to put an else, because if it's not there, then we want to save it so they are in the data store service. Local save values equals curly bracket wins dot value, which will be 0, and then losses dot value and curly bracket. Then ds service dot colon set async parenthesis key comma save value and close the parentheses. And that is how you, when a player's added, you create the leader stats and you put their values in when they last left. Hey guys, just one quick change to the code that I neglected. This call on line 3, the game.players.player added connect on player added, has to be moved down after the function. I totally forgot about that, or else it wouldn't work because the function has to be first. That's all. Let's get back to the video. So now we're going to do when they leave, we save it. So game.players.player added. Oh, player removing, my bad. Player removing, colon connect, parenthesis function, parenthesis player, close parenthesis, enter. Then we're going to do the same thing called local key equals key dash period player dot user ID. The big thing is this key could be whatever you want. It has to be unique, and this one, line 32 and 6, has to be the same, or else it won't do it properly. And then after this, we go enter local save values equals curly bracket player dot wins players that player dot leader stats dot wins dot value, comma player dot leader stats dot losses dot value, close curly bracket. Then go ds service set async parenthesis key comma save values. And there you go. This is all you have to do to have the leader stats and have it save whatever's in that leader stats, and when they come back you put it in. That's all you have to do. This is the tutorial for the game I'm creating, which is right here. It's this game. This is how we have that leader stats in the corner. Make sure to come back, check out all the other videos so you can make this finished product. Goes through all the basics. It's really cool. Hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can tell when these videos go live so you can learn to code games for Roblox. Thanks for watching. See you next time.